Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to display your dimension and export the drawing. Alright, so let's see here, example I'm using is a custom cabinet, this one. Right, so I want to export my drawing with dimension. Alright, so you can go to drawing, on here, up on top, you have drawing, and then you go to cabinet. Okay, so make sure the things that you want to export is in the frame. Okay, and then you go to dimension, sorry, not dimension, you go to one key remark. So you click to colored internal annotations. So automatically you will see the dimension to your cabinet. Right, so you need to position your camera. Okay, after you position, you can go to export, choose to export English drawing. So automatically the drawing will included with the dimension that you have in your drawing, in your project, right? So that is how you display the dimension to your export drawing. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.